Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2013 BMW X6. So, any screen, nav is over here, second one down on the right-hand side. Click on sat-nav. If you haven't used it already, you probably have to just click to accept that you're not going to get distracted. And then knock over there. There you go, you've got route criteria, points of interest, traffic information, interactive map. We'll just knock over again and you've got destination input, so that's what you want. And just knock back, so like so. Knock over once, knock over twice, and then the menu comes up for your destination. Click destination, city and postcode there, postcode there, select postcode. Our new address is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers, and there's no sign of them here at all. So confusing. So you have to wind it down here, and then you see numbers and symbols. So we click on that, numbers and symbols. So we're PR5, 4, uppercase letters. We've got to select uppercase letters again. E, A. Papa Romeo 5, 4 Echo Alpha. And that's it. That's the address. Select the address. It's asking me for a street. I don't want a street. I just want to get close enough. Accept destination, and then start guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's how you do it.